These kinds of videos are getting millions of views, and creators are earning thousands of dollars from them. The best part? You can make them too, using just 3 tools: Veo 3, ChatGPT, and CapCut, or any editing software. First, grab the original prompt. I've added it in the description of this video. You'll notice some parts of the text are highlighted in yellow. That's where you can replace the name of the fruit or vegetable you want to use. For example, swap it with mango, carrot, apricot, etc. Now copy the full prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Then there's a second, shorter version of the prompt. I call it the simple version. Add this at the end of your main prompt. Now update both fruit names, the original one and the one you want to switch to. You can tweak other parts too if you want, but that's optional. Once ChatGPT generates the full prompt, copy everything. Paste the full prompt into the prompt box. Head into the settings and make sure you select the Veo 3 Fast model. This saves credits. The quality model takes 100 credits per generation, while the fast model only takes 20. Also, I recommend changing the output count to just 1 result. Again, this saves more credits. Now hit generate. Within a few seconds, your AI ASMR video will be ready. Before downloading, click the download button and then hit upscale to 1080p. This gives you a high-quality version of the clip, and it's totally free. Now, let's try a second idea. Just repeat the exact same process. Swap in a different fruit or vegetable. You can use your own creativity to come up with combinations like strawberry, peach, or even glass-textured rocks. Every time, you'll get a unique result that you can turn into a short-form video for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. This is a super simple way to create tons of high-quality content, even if you're just starting out. You don't need advanced editing, you don't need to write long scripts. Just change the fruit name, paste the prompt, and hit generate. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I'll be sharing more of these viral AI video methods soon.